Here goes some more free game, y'all. Why do you buy insurance when you're young? Well, the reason being is, let's say you're somebody who's not in a financial situation to be able to properly manage, maintain, and fund a permanent insurance contract, right? Where you can utilize it like a wealth building tool. But you're somebody who at least just says, hey, I want to start the process. Why do you do it? Well, you do it because you can convert a term policy to a permanent policy, usually at any given time, barring maybe certain exceptions, but generally that's the case. And so when you convert the policy to a permanent policy and begin building cash value in that policy, you don't have to re-qualify for insurance. You don't have to reapply for insurance. Your health rating is the equivalent of what it was when you initially established that term policy. So that's just some free game for y'all. Call me if you got questions.